Alright, good morning, my lovely students. How are you today? I think you're fine. Now, I will teach you about the materials. The title is explanation text. Explanation text, that is how to explain happen. See about the picture here. At this moment, I want to tell you about explanation text for class 11. The example is how does it occur? Let's see about the picture here. That is about the topic is corona. Alright, I will tell you about what is the purpose of explanation. That is, explain processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural, to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. An explanation text consists of, first, introduction. It means the general statement, description of the topic. Second, explanation. It means a sequence of events. Third, or the end, that is closing. It means conclusion. The characteristic or language feature of explanation text are featuring generic participant, for example, sun, rain, etc. Using chronological connection, for example, to begin with, next, etc. Third, using passive voice pattern, using simple present tense. Okay, right, I will give you what is the examples of passive voice. We can use by tenses present. Example here, the form of passive voice, subject plus to be, is or are plus past participle. Past participle, it means here you can use by verb 3. Look at the examples. Number 1, the virus infection is called COVID-19. Second, symptoms that can indicate someone is infected with the coronavirus. Okay, the virus infection is called, it means passive voice by present tense. Is, that is to be, present tense, and called, that is verb 3. And the second sentence that can indicate someone is infected with the coronavirus. Is, that is present tense, infected by verb 3. So, the passive voice here by to be is MR and verb 3. Baiklah, itu yang Ibu jelaskan tadi, yaitu tentang explanation text. Tujuan daripada text explanation yaitu menjelaskan proses yang berhubungan dengan pembentukan terjadi secara alamiah, secara sosial, fenomena-fenomena yang terjadi di dalam suatu pembentukan, bagaimana dan mengapa itu bisa terjadi. Dalam text explanation ini terdiri dari beberapa hal. Yang pertama yaitu perkenalan. Dalam perkenalan ini menjelaskan yaitu pernyataan secara umum dan mendeskripsikan topik-topik tertentu. Yang kedua yaitu penjelasan yang disebut dengan explanation. Kita akan menjelaskan serangkaian peristiwa atau kejadian-kejadian yang akan terjadi. Dan yang ketiga penutup. Penutup ini memberikan kesimpulan yang terjadi pada penjelasan-penjelasan yang akan kita jelaskan. Saya akan menunjukkan kembali Ciri-ciri atau tata bahasa yang digunakan dalam text explanation pertama yaitu penggunaan partisipan. Contoh matahari, hujan, corona, dan lain-lain. Yang kedua, penggunaan kata sambung dengan menggunakan to begin with, next, dan lain-lain. Yang ketiga, menggunakan pola passive voice. Yang keempat, menggunakan tenses present tense. Di bawah ini ada contoh penggunaan passive voice, yaitu dengan menggunakan to be is, are, tambah past participle atau yang disebut dengan verb 3. Contohnya, infeksi virus disebut dengan COVID-19. Symptom yang mana dinyatakan kepada seseorang adalah karena virus corona. Okay, right after I have explained you about explanation text, I will give you the exercise about coronavirus. The instruction, you must read the text and then answer the questions. The questions number 1 up to number 5. And you can answer the questions by writing or you can do by typing. Okay, right, the student, that's all about my explanation and you can do the exercise. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.